doing a logo design for Miss Georgian when we had done some of the basics in Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator. Here I've just created a simple logo for my media company, so Channel Media, and I'm just going to do a couple of steps here in Illustrator, and then afterwards we can open it up in Adobe After Effects where we can start to animate it like you would see in a video commercial. So here I've just done a very simple logo, 2 colors, very simple. I just decided to make some shapes, vectorize them, and cut them out. And I kind of like this because it, green is my favorite color. It represents me, and it's just very simple, which is what I like. So here, say for example, I've already had my text in here, channel. I want to make a play on the words for my name, Chan. So say if I wanted to also highlight Chan, and I want to make it, I'm going to try to make it the same green color. So I'll use the shortcut eyedropper tool that, and then I have kind of a very symmetrical logo design and text. Select A here, where it follows the same color scheme and it represents me. So what I'm going to do now is, if I'm satisfied with my logo design and slogan, and you can take some time in Illustrator to work on that, I'm going to go ahead and prepare it so that we can put it into Adobe After Effects, which is a program to be used for motion graphics and special effects. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to where your layer board is. I don't know if you can see it there. Here in the layer board, I'm going to select the top layer, and that basically selects everything. And I'm going to, hold on one second, I'm going to select the top layer that way, and I'm going to click on that button, and there's something called Release to Layers Sequence. So I'm going to click on that, and it just kind of puts each part of your logo and text into different layers. So say if I wanted, right now I didn't group anything yet, so if you see here, every individual letter and object has become its own layer. If I wanted to do it where I maybe group certain things so it doesn't all appear all one by one, what I would do is, I'll just Command Z that. Let me do that forward. What I could do is I could, first of all, maybe I'll group, say this. I'll group these together, and I right click. I'm going to group them. I'm going to group maybe the Chan letters together. Right click, group these guys. Oh, hold on one second. Group that, and then I'm going to group the last part, these guys together, make those groups. So if you see here in my layer board, now they've made them into separate groups. I'm going to go ahead and do that, select the very top layer, right click here, and Release to Layers Sequence. I'm just going to create each one of these in a separate sequence, which will be easier for us to work with when we go to After Effects.